Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can power off the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. I think you've realized that already. If you long press the power button, you wake up Bixby with. But how to power off the phone? For that, you will need next to the power button, the volume down button. Long press these both buttons and you will see the power off menu. After, just tap on power off and confirm on power off again to shut down the phone. There's a second way to shut down the phone. For that, just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, and then you have also here the power off menu. So just tap on power off and confirm on power off and again on power off, and the phone will shut down. But there's a way to set up the power button as a real power button. Let me show you how you can do that. For that, just scroll down here, tap here on the symbol for the settings, scroll down now to the point advanced features, and here you will find the point side key. And here you can select what should happen if you press and hold the side key. Actually, we are waking up Bixby with, but we want to have the power off menu in the future. And that means now, whenever I long press the side key, I have the power off menu. So just confirm the power off and again, and the phone will shut down. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in. Or you can also subscribe me if you don't want to miss a new video. Thank you so much for all your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.